Hang on, no, she's still there. Oh! He just ran me into a snag, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Sorry for blaspheming.
Look, alright, he's a monster. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Good catch. That's the best fish I've caught in a long time, that is.
Really?
Yeah. 65!